Next game in here, and I'm not at my usual place. I'm out at my brother's house today, but he's not with me right now because he's at work, and my other brother is at his girlfriend's. So I'm over here at my brother's. I'm outside with his dog Daisy. Daisy, Daisy, make it. Come here, Daisy. Daisy. This is his dog Daisy. She's a big girl. And she likes to jump and run on me. And now I'm trying to get away from her because she's going to interrupt me and throw out the whole video. Look, it's in the ball. Oh, fuck. Oh, fudge. I say fudge. I'm standing on a cinder block. Yeah, though, but yeah, I am at my brother's house. And I'm out in his yard, which has a big old yard. He has a couple cars that are, one of them soon will be mine soon. Soon one soon to be mine. And I don't know. He's not here. So oh God. So I don't know how he'd feel about this. Because he likes YouTubing personally, but I don't know if he likes uploading videos or nothing. I don't know how he's going to feel about me doing this. I have no idea. But I had to go outside to get away from my niece and nephew. They're wild as crap. They're wilder than I am. Which I'm really wild. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And just put that out there. Oh God. And I'm just out here. I'm gonna see if I can break a limb off a tree. Well, hi, dudes. Okay, I'm going in. Maybe not. Or not. What I'm trying to do is just stay away from cars, all that crap, dudes, because you have no idea how freaking freaked out I am right now. I don't like being out here at all. Personally, I do not like being out here out in the yard personally at all. But I have to get away from all the noise. Which is basically what I do. I get away from all the noise, and that's just pretty much what I do. So that's just basically what I do every day. How I'm here, just come out here, get away from all the noise, or play the PS4, which I can't play more because he doesn't want me playing it. He puts things around his KD down on Black Ops 3. But I've not played it online in about forever. So why would I start now? Seriously. Come on. Ooh, but I don't know what I'm going to be doing in the future videos. I'm just going to wait until I do gaming videos to wait if some of you do want me to or not. I don't know. It's Daisy. 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 Yeah, oh God, now she's chasing me. So, you're a pretty big dog. Oh God. And I'm a pretty big dude. Ah. So I'm gonna run. Pretty sure he's being at mine. Yeah. Sorry if the camera messed up because I was running. Oh fudge. I just kicked a tire. It hurt really, really bad. So there are other dogs here, which I'm probably in their territory right now. So when I don't get too fudges, who's territory then? There God just popped my ear. That was bothering me. Like 2 days. And as you guys know, I've been sick for the past 3 videos. This makes the 3rd video. So I've been sick for quite a while now. For those of you that don't know, I've been sick for quite a while. So I don't know how the rest of the video is going to be. I didn't know how this was going to be, but they actually turned out pretty good. Really good, actually. And I'm going to get my logo up soon. My brother's going to draw it for me, and I'll show you a drawing of it in the video before I put it up. So, but I'm tired. So that way you got what? I don't know. Nope. You won't know what the bread is. Okay. You're welcome. That's my sister-in-law. So, she's crazy. Oh God, Daisy. I'm sorry. She's crazy like we are. My whole family's pretty much crazy. So, crazy country people is what we are. We'd actually go out in the backwoods. And which I do love that. Which I do like that. And I also like going into the cities, seeing new things. It's pretty cool, fun to do that too. It's really cool to do that. But in the woods, you can't. But in the woods, you can't go like drink beer or anything like that. Or anything like my brothers want to do. They want to get away from my mom. Just go drinking all day. And so I don't know how she's going to feel about that one. But I don't know. I just have no idea how she's going to feel about that one. Or after watching this video. Pretty much my whole family's crazy. Not just me or my mom or her. Or Jackie, the one you just saw. A lot more people are. Ow. A lot of us. My whole family is. I have a couple people, I have some family that live like 30 minutes away. Maybe even 20 at the least. At the most is 20 or something. And they have bought about like 5 PlayStations because they've lost them all. And a Wii and an Xbox One and an Xbox 360. Which if you've noticed, if you're friends with me on Xbox, my name is Hot Orb, which has recently been changed to Wicked 6442 Love, which is actually my girlfriend's profile. Wicked 6442 is what's her profile. So I just figured I'd name it after that. Put love at the end. Because I wanted to be nice. Especially Wicked. If you're watching this, or going to watch this, I love you. I don't give two fudges who cares or says anything about it. I'm just going to straight say I love you. I don't care. I will say whatever I want about who I want. And my family on YouTube. I trust you guys. What do people like? Ow, that hurt. What'd you expect riding a bunch of freaking thorns? Yeah. Well, I don't know, guys, but I'm gonna set up a hashtag. I'm gonna set up a hashtag for hashtag dudes or hashtag gamers. I'm gonna let you guys decide, choose whether it's gamers or dudes. Oh God, surfing. Oh, just about. I'm on a cinder block that's standing over a log, trying to not tip over. Feel like I'm surfing. Otis, you better move. You better move, Otis. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, Jesus. You just saw a gigantic paw. Now they're fighting. Oh, God. No. Stop it. No. Otis. And go for you too. So, I've been at my brother's house for like 30 minutes or so now. About this time.